Hello everyone, welcome to my world kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make a stuffed mushroom with chicken. Alright, this is the ingredients. I use baby portobello mushroom because it's not it's a little bit hard mushroom. It's not soft when you cook it. So this is it. Let's cook the chicken. Just make sure you wash your mushroom properly because that black one does still have a soil in it. See that black one there? The soil stick in the mushroom. Then you have to dry this out after you wash it. Okay, let's put a little oil and butter. Ah! No. Just let it brown the garlic. Just add a little soy sauce, maybe like this one. And pepper. Now these are the peppers. Just cook it like 3 more minutes. these are the peppers. Just cook it like 3 more minutes. Okay, the chicken is cooked, so we need to cool down the chicken. That way the cheese will not going to melt right away when we stuff the mushroom. Okay, let's put all together. This for our stuffed mushroom. This is Parmesan cheese. Bread crumbs. And just mix it up. Okay, start it. Put inside here. Oops, don't break it. This is good for like have parties, things like that. Appetizer, and also good for light dinner. That's what I do now. This is our light dinner tonight. You need to preheat the oven like 400 degrees, and then we'll bake this one like 10 to 15 minutes, and your stuffed mushroom will be ready. I like to sing, but I can't sing anymore. After I had my surgery, I can blow my voice. That's why I just sing like a talking sing. A short one. It might be all my subscribers will boom me. And you need to preheat the oven like 400 degrees, and we just bake this one like 10 to 15 minutes. And the mushroom is ready. There you got more extra mushroom. Now we'll put the cheese on top. Alright, the mushroom is already stuffed. We'll bake this one for 10 to 15 minutes, 400 degrees. Alright. So here is my stuffed mushroom. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Alright, see you next time. Okay, let's try the mushroom. Let me try it. Oh, it's so mushy inside. Perfect. Is that good, huh? Did you like it? good. Good for healthy people. I mean, diet people, dieting. So healthy. Mm. You should try.